Okay, video number
Hey,
280.
In one night.
Okay, we're counting them down. We're on our last couple.
Yeah, and this is my dia&co box, and I thought I was going to keep everything, but then when Debbie was looking at it, she's like, well, I don't know, so I'm really going to need your help on this box, honestly.
Yeah, I said, so what are you keeping out of this box? And she says, oh, I think I'm just going to keep everything. And I said, you might want to look at the video before you decide to keep everything.
So you guys,
please be honest and weigh in.
Please.
Especially this first piece she's about to show you.
Yeah, before we get started, my name is Cindy.
I'm Debbie, and we're Sisters in Stitches.
Yes, we are. So the stitches we shall show you. Now, this is a skirt by Molly and Isadora. Now, I love green, black, and white.
Yeah, but not that skirt.
But she doesn't seem to like it. So how much is this skirt, the green, black, and white?
It's
Geometrical.
It's $49.
Really?
Yeah, and it's not that I don't like the skirt. It'd probably look cute on the right person, but not on her. I don't like the way it fits her body shape.
All right. Well, I like the skirt, so I will look at this. So,
but that's just my opinion. You guys weigh in. If you override me, she'll keep it. I know she will.
Yeah, I go with majority.
I told her not to keep this shirt, as cute as it is on some people. On her, it's too tight in the front and too big in the back.
Yeah, it's kind of like a... It's not really for spring. It's like
summery,
a fall.
like a summer. It feels like a really soft t-shirt sweater.
Yeah. So, and the back is actually cute, but
it seems
to be stretched out or something.
It's all like hanging.
And this
funny.
is by Downing Studio and in a 1X, and it is kind of tight in the sleeve. So, how much is this top?
$55.
55.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
It doesn't fit you.
Yeah, it's not worth the $55 price. So
not on you.
I probably am not going to keep that. And then here is another skirt by. I did ask for skirts and dresses in this one. Another outfit from Downing Studios.
It's at the Buttercup HiLow,
and
that retails for $59.
It's a faux.
And it just didn't look like a skirt. It just didn't fit her well enough to spend $60 on.
I think why I thought I liked it is because I like the colors. I just love peach and coral. What did you guys think? I didn't think it looked bad, but I'm only looking down at it, so I don't know. And she didn't like it. But I don't buy clothes based solely on what she says, because we do have different tastes in some things, which is okay. So I just need a little
I'm just telling her that I'm the general public, and when I'm looking at her, that's half the public that's looking at her is going to think the same thing. So half might think it's great, so I guess she's got to weigh which
now the next two pieces is the two pieces that she says that I should keep, and then get rid of the rest.
If she wants to keep something,
right.
I would even get rid of the skirt and just keep the dress, but
I like the skirt. Now this skirt is from Dex Clothing.
And this one retails for $49.
And it's just a long.
And you can't really see it, but along each white stripe is a silver metallic. Can you see it like a glittery silver? And that doesn't thrill me either, but that's totally Cindy right there.
Yeah, but what I like is the way the striping is. It's not really vertical or horizontal, and the waist is really tall, so you can either wear it, you can wear this as like a strapless maxi or midi dress if you wanted to, which I wouldn't do, or you roll it down and wear it as a maxi skirt. And I love reds, whites, and navies in like the summer, so I would put this to good use. And how much is this skirt?
I already told you, you weren't listening.
I wasn't listening, I'm sorry.
$49.
So this is one that I really want to keep, unless everyone is telling me, no.
That one's all right. It's all right.
All right, and then the last piece that I got, this dress is from Sandra, Darren.
It's only $35 for this dress.
And
it's a size smaller than you normally wear, and it fit you pretty well.
Yeah. So it's not bad. And it's got the navy blue on the bottom with the tie front.
It's got the coral she likes. It's got the navy she likes. it's got the gray, which she just got a gray necklace. I mean, she's starting to pull some gray into her wardrobe.
Now,
I think it's a really cute print.
I don't have any shapewear on underneath this, so keep that in mind. So honestly, it's a $35 dress. But I think I might, if I keep it, I might size up to an 18, only because when I look down, now again, I'm looking down, it seemed like these two pleats were pulling a little too much. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
like the pleats were pulling a little too much, so I may have to go up one size if I keep this.
But then in the next couple months, when you lose some weight, it might be too big.
Yeah, I don't know. It's a great price for the dress, and I do love
truly,
wearing
you're
maxis.
going to wear it with a sweater anyway, so they're not going to see that pulling. I would stay with the lower size, the smaller size, and work into it. And cover the pull with a sweater like you were going to wear anyway. You're not going to wear that sleeveless.
Yeah, I have lightweight sweaters for the summer because I have to wear lightweight summer because it's cold in my office. So, all right. So let me know what you think on this. Should I go up one size? I've got to check out in 2 days. So let me know if you think I should go up because this is pulling a little too much. And then understand that I don't have shapewear on, so it'll look much better with shapewear. So what was my whole box total?
$247. If you keep everything, you get a $61.75 credit, so the whole box would be $185.25.
Yeah, there was no styling fee for this box because they were running a special. If you ordered a box in a certain time period, they would waive the $20 fee. So really, I don't have to keep anything because I'm not going to lose any money. So be honest and brutal. Most of you are, and I know there's a few of you that I can always count on.
If she wasn't, I thought she had to pick something to save the 20. I personally, and this is just me, I would put it all back in the box.
I really like this skirt though. So, okay, let me know what you think, really, because we have a very big difference of opinion. But again, I didn't see the videos yet.
She's got a ton of clothes, and we don't rein her in a little bit. If you guys could see her house, she has clothes. I mean, her house is a big clothes storage box. Now, granted, it's all organized in colors and sleeveless and long sleeve, and shoes are all in little boxes. I mean, she's very organized, but she's going to run out of room in this little house, so she keeps keeping everything.
All right, so that is my dia&co, which I need tons of help on. And
I can't wait to see the comments.
I know, me too. So I will put this up on Thursday and tomorrow because we're filming all this on a Wednesday. So I will put this up, so let me know, okay? All right, so hit the notify bell and the subscribe button, please.
Sorry about our little furlough. We couldn't be helped, but we're back.
We're back. So we'll get you laughing again during this hard time that America is facing as we all have to stay in our homes and stay away, you know. Debbie and I are not social distancing. Oh no, I'd have to get a really wide angle camera for that, but
we both know we're okay, so we're good.
All right, and I hope you all stay healthy, and we'll sign off for the evening, and we'll see you in the next video.